Most people believe they are financially responsible. They save money every month. They avoid risk. They keep money safe. But here is the truth. Saving alone has never made anyone wealthy. But in fact, excessive saving without investing is one of the reasons why people stay stuck for decades financially. Today, we'll break one of the biggest money myth in India. How we can get maximum return on saving and investment. This video is not motivational talk. This is based on real research, real data, and real financial behavior. Today, by the end of the video, you will clearly know why saving feels safe but makes you poor, why investment feels risky but builds real wealth, and how smart people balance both. So first of all, what is saving? Saving means keep money for future use. Usually we kept in saving account, FD, RD, or in the form of cash or gold. It gives us security. It gives mental peace, and that's why parents love it. In India, saving is treated as moral habit. If you save, you are responsible. If you invest, you are taking a risk. It is designed for emergency need, short-term goal, capital protection. It is not designed for wealth creation. And anywhere it does not create wealth because inflation is higher, way higher than saving. Even if you save, you are getting 6%, but inflation is around 5%. Then there is no sense of saving. And in the long run, inflation always beats saving. Money parks only in saving accounts become weaker over time. So your bank balance increases slightly, but your living affordability decreases. This is why many retired says, I saved all my life, but money feels insufficient. Now we will move to second part, investment. What is investment? Investment means we are putting money into some assets that create wealth over time. Example like equity. We put money in stock, mutual fund, business, real estate, index fund, and long-term productive asset. Investment, it is not gambling. Investment means we are participating in economic growth. So we'll become the part of the economic growth and even we'll get some benefit from that growth. When company grow, profit grow. When profit grow, investor get benefit. This is the real funda of investment. We are getting some profit out of the money we are investing in. We are putting in the economic growth. Historical research shows equity outperform inflation over long period. Productive asset build wealth, not ideal money. Investment is designed for long-term goal, wealth creation. You may be thinking, if investing is so much powerful, why people are not investing? It is because of human psychology. Investment feels riskier than saving. So people opt for save. But saving does not build wealth. Investment is the only way to build wealth. People feel losses more strongly than gains. If you lost 10,000, will not be more happy. You will feel riskier to lose 10,000 than the joy of gaining 20,000. So more people do not invest. इसको ही लॉस अवर्जन बोलते हैं. लॉस से फियर है, लॉस से भागना है, लॉस से डरना है. Remember, avoiding investment is also just a slow one. People don't notice slow financial damage. They only notice sudden loss. So they choose visible safety over invisible danger. Long-term studies show bank barely beat inflation. FD struggle after tax. Equity multiplies in long run. Even conservative research show long-term investor outperform pure saver because time in the market matters more than timing in the market. Remember this rule. Time in the market matters more than timing in the market. It's not income alone, it's how money is deployed. Let me tell you, classic middle class cycle. Saving without investment. You earn, you save in bank, avoid risk, expenses rises, you feel stress. Repeat for 40 years. This is not failure, this is design. Without investment, your money work only once. With investment, your money work repeatedly. The difference compound quietly. Smart people don't choose saving or investment. They choose both because for short term goal we need to use savings, but for long term we need to use investment. Saving protect life, investment build life. Remember, saving is discipline, but investment is courage. Saving will keep you safe today. Investment secure your tomorrow. If you only save, you survive. If you invest wisely, you grow. The question is not, should I save or invest? The real question is, how long you could afford not to invest.